Hey guys, I brought you a beautiful question from China. Let's see if we can solve it together. We have two triangles inside half a circle of ACB. It's given us the CBD is twice of EAD angle. Now it asks us if we can calculate the area of the triangle DCB. DCB is a right angle, so the CD is the height of triangle. The only thing else that we need to calculate the area is the base of the triangle, which I name it B. Also, I name AD as A. Now let's write down our unknowns. So our unknowns will be A, B, and X. And you may argue we have more unknowns, but if you pay attention, if we have these three, other values can be calculated out of these three. Now let's see what equations we have to calculate for these unknowns. Two equations that could be useful is tangent of x and tangent of 2x because it connects our knowns and unknowns. Let's write those down. So tangent of x is 2 over a, and tangent of 2x will be 3 over b. And now it seems that we are one equation short because we have three unknowns and two equations. One information that we haven't used yet is that ACB is half a circle. It was great if instead of AE, we had AC. So we could use the information that ACB is 180 degrees angle, but we don't. But what if we connect A to C ourselves? Let's see what happens. Now A and C are connected. If you pay attention, the angle ACB faces the other side of the semicircle, which means that C is an angle facing 180-degree arc, which makes C a right angle. So ACB is a right angle, and the triangle ACB is right angled. Now we have CD, which is the height perpendicular to hypotenuse of AB. And we know that the height perpendicular to hypotenuse, it splits the triangle to two smaller similar triangles. So let's write that down. So ACD triangle is similar to CDB, correct? Now, and you can easily show that. You can calculate the angles of two smaller triangles and see that they are the same, and they are the same with the ACB triangle. Now let's write the proportional ratios using these similarities. If we write, let's say, the short side divided to the long side for the triangle ACD, so CD divided by AD. Now let's write it down for the triangle CDB. The short side is DB divided by their long side, which is CD. Now let's put our knowns and unknowns parameters inside this equation. CD is 3, AD is A, DB is B, CD is 3. If we cross multiply, we will have AB equals to 9. Now we have three equations that we can use to solve our unknowns. 1, 2, and this one is 3. Okay, let's start with tangent of 2x and try to write it down based on equation 3 and equation 1. Tangent of 2x. And here you have to know a little bit of trigonometry. Tangent of 2x, we can write it in terms of tangent of x. So we know that tangent of 2x is 2 tangent of x over 1 minus tangent square of x. And we already have the tangent of x from equation number 1. So let's put that in. 2 times 2 over a divided by 1 minus 2 over a squared. Let's simplify that. 4 over a, 1 minus 4 over a squared. The whole thing should equate to tangent of 2x, which we know that is 3 over b. Here it's stated based on b. Here we have the equation in terms of a. Now the equation 3 comes handy. So from here we can simply say b equals to 9 over a. Let's place that in. So tangent of 2x is 3 divided by 9 over a, which the whole thing simplifies to 3 over a. So tangent of 2x is 3 over a. And tangent of 2x, we know that equates to this equation. So let's put them equal to each other. And now from this equation, let's calculate a. Let's cross multiply again. Oh, I did a mistake here. So a comes at the top, right? Comes a over 3. So this equates to a over 3. Let's do the cross multiply. A times 1 minus 4a squared equals to 3 times 4 is 12 over a, or we multiply a inside, becomes a minus 4 divided by a equals to 12 over a. Let's bring 4 over a to other side. It changes the sign. 4 plus 12, it becomes 16. So a equals to 16 over a. That yields a squared is 16. And that means that or a is equal to 4. So we have a. And from this equation, we have b. So we can calculate the area now. The area of the triangle is 1/2 base times height, or 1/2 9 over a. We know that b is 9 over a times height, which is cd, which is 3. And let's replace 4 in. So the numerator is 9 times 3 is 27. Denominator is 2 times 4, it's 8. And our area is 27 over 8. Hope you enjoyed this beautiful question. Please check out other videos on my channel. Like this video, share it, comment if there is anything that was vague or you need me to prove something or show you something. Appreciate you being here, and I see you on the next video. Have a good day.